Encouraging news on the economy as inflation cooled slightly more than expected in January. It's up 2.4% compared to last year.
All right, but despite the positive news, the report also shows people are still facing higher prices for all the essentials. For more details, we turn our attention now to KREM 2's Cindy Schofield.
Well, Mark and Laura, this poses a complicated outlook for everyday Americans. While yes, according to new data released by the Bureau of Labor Statistics, inflation cooled more than expected, the Consumer Price Index shows prices rose 2.4% in January from the year prior. That's down from a 2.7% annual rate in December. On a monthly basis, prices increased 0.2%. That's at a slower rate than in December. To some economists and financial analysts, it's a positive signal for the Federal Reserve as the central bank weighs the future of interest rates. But again, for everyday Americans, the report shows the cost of clothing, airfare, housing, medical care, and food all continued to climb. In a recent CBS News poll, a majority of Americans making less than $100,000 per year said it was a hardship or difficult to pay for utilities. The Federal Reserve is expected to leave rates unchanged at its meeting next month. I know this is all a little complicated, so if you want a more in-depth look at the recent inflation report, you can head to our website. That's KREM.com. Reporting in the studio, Cindy Schofield, KREM 2 News.